before you play the game, you should see the game animation so you understand what's going on, and then, of course, doing the rules. And this is the teleop scoring rules, and this is A, B, C. And if you click here, you can go to the game animation. And these are all be on the YouTube site. Thanks. Welcome to the Virtual Robot Simulator Ultimate Goal multiplayer game. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to set up your computers, then you're going to go to Robot Arena. You're going to go multiplayer, type in your name, your robot 1. So this is the person who's going to control the game. And he's going to set up for 4 computers, 4 players. All right, now I have another computer set up. Notice the server is the same, multiplayer. 2, join, multiplayer. 3, join. All right, now I got to go back to the owner of the game, and now you see all 4 computers are in there. Notice this computer doesn't have anything set up. So we'll go start here. And then the robots show up. And now you're ready to play. Computer 1. Computer 2, and I don't have a gamepad set up for the other ones. Okay, now we also have some other commands here. Free play is unlimited time. Teleop is 2 minutes. Auto is programming. Field setup is, this refers to where the wobble goals are, A, B, or C. And of course you can change the camera setup. But probably the camera setup is probably perfectly fine the way it is originally. Start the game, reset the field, stop, start the timer.